Hi, it's Martin, and a little bit more than 1 year ago we tested the Xiaomi 70Mai Dashcam Pro, linked here in the top right corner. And now, more than 1 year later, they come up with the Lite version. So let's see what they have changed. For those who don't know 70Mai, it's basically a Xiaomi ecosystem company that specializes in dash cameras. And just like last time, they shipped one over for me to test and to review, and it arrived in this typical white box. This time the box is completely in English, and it's good to see that they've already won Design Award 2019. In the box you get the dash camera first, and I think it feels and looks really good. Now, just like the Pro version, you can rotate the camera lens. And underneath that we find a package with some documentation and some stickers that will help you with installing the Dashcam. Now, last but not least, at the bottom we find in one container a plastic tool that helps installing the cables, and a car charger, unlike the Pro version, is just with one USB slot instead of two, and a very long micro USB cable. What I still like a lot is the design and its super small footprint of the dash camera. It is small, compact and very easy to navigate with the 4 or 5 buttons at the bottom of the display. It is also easy to hide the Dashcam behind your rear mirror, so you can keep the view clear while still being able to check whether or not you're recording, for example. At the time of uploading this video, they had a promotion for a free GPS model. And in case you want to grab one, make sure that you check the link in the video's description to see if the promotion is still active. The normal mount has a very adhesive sticker, so please do not install this directly onto your windshield, but use this in between. And that also counts for the GPS module. Slide it on top of the Dashcam and then install it on top of the sticker. I've mentioned it at the beginning of this video and in my review of the Dashcam Pro, but you can rotate the camera lens. And this will allow you to install it on your rear window as well, but you will need to have a very long USB cable then. Just like the 70Mai Smart Dashcam Pro, there's also an application available for the Dash Cam Lite. So if you want to know more about the application and how to connect it to your Dashcam Lite, make sure that you check the link here in the top right corner to my other review, where I will go deeper into the application. So rather than a 2K resolution on the Pro model, the new Lite version has a 1080p resolution. So let's see what the output is of the Sony IMX307. And what do you think of the IMX307 Sony sensor? I think it's for a Lite version not bad at all, but let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below. At dusk the dash camera is pushing really hard, and at night it's doing its best as well. But you know, daylight is of course another story. You might have noticed that there are some differences between the Lite version and the Pro version, and one of them is, for example, the resolution, 2K versus 1080p. The Pro version has therefore a slightly better output. It also captures 10 degrees more with its 140 degree wide angle lens. It has voice control, ADAS, it has defogging, better aperture for low light shots at f1.8, and it has a dual USB charger. While the 70Mai Lite version doesn't have all the bells and whistles like the Pro version, I believe it doesn't make it any less capable than the Pro version. In fact, I'm going to guess that there are probably many of you out there that don't even want all of these extras. Many just want a simple basic dashcam that does what it's supposed to do.
It is about to enter the parking surveillance mode.
And in the end, it's up to you to decide whether you're gonna purchase this or not, or spend a few extra bucks for the Pro version. So let me know what you're gonna go for, the Lite version or the Pro version. Alright guys, that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and if you did so, please give the video a like and subscribe if you haven't already. In case you have some comments, questions or remarks, drop them down below. I would love to help you out. As always, thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope to see all of you in the next one.